hazard. 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Fayetteville, Ardmore, Cache Point, Blanche, Bellevue, Deft, Delres, Coldwater, Arms and Camargo. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Lincoln, Tennessee. The National Weather Service has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 382, effective until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Alabama: Jackson, Lawrence, Limestone, Madison, Marshall, and Morgan, and the following counties in Tennessee: Giles and Lincoln. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 382 has been issued until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in
EAS.
Alabama: Jackson, Lawrence, Limestone, Madison, Marshall, and Morgan, and the following counties in Tennessee: Giles and Lincoln.
This is a special weather statement. Significant weather advisory for northern Madison, northwestern Jackson, northeastern Limestone, Moore, Franklin, and Lincoln counties until 2:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:32 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a line of strong thunderstorms along a line extending from 7 miles south of Shelbyville to 7 miles east of New Lake, and moving from east at 40 miles per hour. Wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour will be possible with these storms. Locations impacted include northern Huntsville, Madison, Winchester, Fayetteville, Lynchburg, Wood Mill, Meridianville, Hazel Green, Detroit, and Distill Springs. Locally, heavy rainfall is also occurring with these storms, and may lead to minor flooding on roads and in low-lying areas. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Lightning can strike several miles away from the parent thunderstorm. Seek a safe shelter inside the building or vehicle.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 2:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for Northwest.
Okay, I missed that alert. I caught that alert. I missed that alert. And that happened.
Wind gusts.
Be here for PSSL. Is this what your friends not risk their lives? Romance on the rocks. Wait. And the mind-blowing magic everyone will be talking about. There you have it. We promise, no matter what happens this season, you'll never skip the happening. See it. Coming. Vanished? Every which way. The final season premieres Monday night at 7.
Hey, the weather radio went off. It went off for a severe thunderstorm warning for Lincoln County, Tennessee, and I missed one of them. It went off for a severe thunderstorm watch, and that affects Madison. It did go off for the required weekly test. Might want to be careful around there, and the severe thunderstorm warning may hit Fayetteville. Alright. Alright. Bye.